Yabona nje untshontsha kangcono. Untshontsha kangcono. Athanda kabi ama comrades. Ayisondeze eduze kwawo. Do you know that? Aha, kwenza kanjani? Kunencwadi ebhalwe yilo Minister of Home Affairs, William Schreiber. Aha. We-DA yangithi uyibhale ngo-2018. Fanele ithole leyo ncwadi. Wathi kuzoba khona uhulumeni we-coalition ne-GNU. Usho ngo-2018. Usho ngo-2018. Yini lebona abade sebeyazi thina singayazi. Amanda. Yabo. Asibonge uComrade Mdolo with a very good input that make many people to think. I agree. See, Communist Party, siyavumelana na konke akubekile. Nokuthi izona zinto okudingeka ukuthi sibe sikwazile ukuthi sibuyele kuzona ukuthi konakele yiphi. Yabona ke kulezi insuku sizoba ne political council. Political council kuhlala ANC, COSATU, SANCO nePARTY. Siyohlala nje ukuthi sotshelana ukuthi asiyekuganga. Siyavumelana. Sivumelene kwi-Alliance Secretariat ukuthi we don't have the luxury time yokuthi sikhombane ngemini. We don't have that time. Yabo. Ngendlela isimo esiyisona. Ngizosho nje Comrade Mdolo ukuthi sofike esithini kunini. Yabo. We are going to tell leadership ye-ANC ukuthi inhle kabi lento eniyenzayo ye-organizational renewal, and abantu have been missing it for some time, ever since menyezelwa i-ANC long time ago, and besingazi ukuthi bekubambe kuphi. Sizofike sisho futhi ukuthi yabona ke kulokho esenikubekile siwafunda wonke ama report abo post elections ukuthi ke bathini nalokho sekushiwo nobhala manje ukuthi nazi izinto basofike sisho Comrade Mdolo ukuthi if you go to i-report kaKhalima ePolokwane ngikhuluma ngalezi zinto. That was 2007. Yabo. Uyishilo diagnostic report ka Mantashe. Yabo. Okusho ukuthi kuningi khona umbutho osukushilo upinpointa izinto ezonakalayo kumbutho bese kwenzeka. Yabona ke into esithi kukhona athi konke lokho kushiwo leadership ka ANC okonakele ku ANC. Kodwa yini esishayise kahle hle? You don't talk about that. Yabo. Abakhuluma ngakho ngesilungu sithi is secondary. What is the primary reason? yabo yabona kukhona into makomanisi ukufunda ama dialectics okuthiwa iappearance ukuthi into imiveza injani yabo but ukuyiveza kuyayo is not the essence angeke it's not the essence ubunjalo bayo yabo ubunjalo bayo kunencwadi ebhalwe ilo Minister of Home Affairs William Schreiber we-DA yangithi uyibhale ngo-2018 fanele ithole leyo ncwadi wathi kuzoba khona uhulumeni we-coalition ne-GNU usho ngo-2018 usho ngo-2018 yini le bona abade sebeyazi thina singayazi yabo sike sasho-ke futhi ukuthi njengoba sisho ukuthi ezinye izinto asiyikhulumi zinjengoba zinjalo sefanele sifuna ukuqala sikhulume no-ANC ukuthi ake siphindele back kuma negotiation ukuthi safesa ayilahlaphi ukuze siqale ukuyixoxa lapho siyezabeka ukuthi uma uanalyze uqhaziya yonke indlela esesihambile kulo 30 years uyathola ukuthi kahle ngasikhathi sinikezwa inkululeko babazi futhi babeqonde ukuthi ngo-2009 siyaqala ukufola below 50% kwangenzeka and go and analyze ama results ukuthi 14% welokhosi esawuthola extra KZN save the situation and abazange baqonda kwabonakala futhi ukuze le ANC yehle kulo 50% odile neKZN nazi izinto efase siqala ukuyixoxa nokuthi bazenza kanjani yabo ngiyamuza uComrade unobhala ethi ukhulumile wathi ayikho into ekuthiwa ANC kaRamaphosa we agree 100%. Kodwa indaba singaboni ukuthi ayiqali lento yokuhlukanisa uANC bese kuthiwa le ngaba. Angithi kukhona indoda ebihlale ifaka iBarrett enoluthuli la. Angithi yaba namakhalas ANC yasithi kukhona iANC mission in exile angithi ngoba iANC yangempela ile holo yena angithi so ayiqali lento khombe kodwa sengikhohlile angithi sengikhohlile izona zinto esofuna ukuyixoxa ANC ukuthi siyabona lokho okunye ukuthi ama-comrades mhlawumbe they are not doing enough ukukhombisa ukuthanda nokusupporta ANC amanye corrupt this corrupt kusishayile lokho yabo kodwa that was secondary. What was primary? konke lokhu bacorrupt kwethu ukubuye sithi we drop the ball wasekho bese kunenezela kwisizathu ngqandi esingaka lesi sizathu esithi ongiwa bathi ukuthatha iSouth Africa ibe forward kudinga ukuthi kungabi khona intando yeningi ilapho into okuliwa nayo intando yeningi bathi abelungu ngeke thina sohlale siyi-minority angithi uma sihlala siyi-minority kusho ukuthi ngeke siliphathe lelizwe ngisho singakha onoxhagogwana bamaqembu even amnyama whether o-Action SA obani omayimane konke ngeke siliphathe ngoba si-minority into edingakalayo eSouth Africa fanele sonke sibe ama-minorities nayi-ke nayikhona yingakho-ke ANC fanele yehle u-50% abe enye yama-minorities bese kuba ipool yama-minorities yabo sesiyalingana-ke lapha angithi ngoba sesonke i-DA i-minority ANC i-minority whatever konke kwama-minority yabo bese sisonke siyi-minority kungekho uzothola u-50% sekuzosebenza i-cent lokuhlanganisa lama-minority kuphume lento abayifunayo ilapho-ke comrade yingakho sithi there can be an ANC organizational renewal. But if that ANC organizational renewal ingaqikeleli ukuthi there's an organizational renewal ye-COSATU, there's an organizational renewal ye-party, there's a strengthening ye-SANCO, forget. Kodwa yabona nje musa nomuntu ebranchini okhombisa ukuyizonda iSANCO, okhombisa ukuyizonda iSSP, okhombisa ukuyizonda iCOSATU, lo muntu bulala uANC, lo muntu loyo. We need to have a very strong ANC Youth League. Hayi sizoyisebenzisa as shock troopers. Angithi ibalulekile because this is the future ye-ANC. Kodwa siyekile nje yawohloka ngithi yabo bese futhi siyicorrupta futhi angithi. What are you doing when you corrupt the ANC Youth League? Uma uyenza iba weak, isho ukuthi future ye-ANC is corrupt and weak. Nazi izinto kudingeka ukuthi-ke sibe sizazile. Yizona zinto-ke futhi yokuqala bese sikhulumile no-Comrade Mtolo bese soyikhuluma emabranchini. Bese soyikhuluma elokhuzeni emabranchini. Yabo. Kungathi emabranchini kuphela siyokhuluma o-EPWP. Sofaka ukukhuluma o-EPWP nokuthi no PEP. Yabo. Because that's how we have killed the ANC. As if the ANC is about EPWP. Ngoba labo bantu uyobenza ama voting folders akho so that uzolokhu u-image angithi by even abusing a very good program yalo hulumeni African National Congress wokulwa unemployment and poverty. Again, take for instance eThekwini, there was a need to capture most of my branches. Galezi imali efana kwenza service delivery ngazo kubantu angithi. Nazi izinto. Futhi sigcina sibaweshipa laba leaders. Sigcina sibaweshipa. Yabona nje untshontsha kangcono. Untshontsha kangcono. Akuthanda kabi ama comrades. Ayisondeze eduze kwawo. Do you know that? Aha, kwenza kanjani? Nazi izinto efasilithile nazo.